What's up, guys? This is the locket. I'm trying to remove these breakaway screws. I didn't find nothing online on YouTube, so I'm gonna try to do this video. So far, I already got this screw off already. So I had this little kit already. I purchased it a while back. I even forgot I had it, so it's cool. It's gonna come in handy today. But yeah, but first, I drilled this just a little bit, and then I have to put what I'm trying to show you. It's kind of hard to record at the same time and doing the work at the same time. I'm gonna get my hammer, try to hit it. It's kind of tight, so it should be good. Then gotta just reverse it. Hopefully it grabs. There it is. It grabbed. Oh yeah. That's it. Now you can take off your locket, put it in a different car or whatever. Not sure. Okay, so I already removed both of the bolts. Like I said, it's already here with the extractor. Came off pretty easy. Same thing at the bottom one. That's for the bottom one. Like I said, my little kit's right there. So all you gotta do now is pull this up, and that's it. And you remove the locket. Like I said, if you want to use it for another car, you could use it. All you gotta do is order the screws, and that's it.